About my dirt track racing t-shirt. Y'all didn't know Papa G used to race? Oh yeah. Now would be a good time to show a little clip right here. Hey there, YouTube people. I'm about to change the oil in this 05 Acura MDX. Then I'm gonna reset the maintenance required light. If you wanna watch, hang out with me. And I promise, I'm gonna get to more videos on the OBS. She's doing just fine. But for now, I got some work to do on my regular car. Come on, let's go. All right, as you can see, I got the car jacked up, got the pan under it. I've removed the drainage bolt with a 17 millimeter. Whoop, whoop. Right now it's currently draining, and we'll give it a few minutes. Then we'll take the oil filter off and get this thing buttoned up. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Forgot to show you one other tool. They come in many different types. This is my filter wrench. I like this kind. This is what I'll be using. There's another type. I don't use it much, but I got it. And then you need this little sticker you can replace on your windshield, so you can write the mileage you need at your next oil change. And only take one from the store. You don't need a whole bunch of them. I got the oil drained. I got the new filter on. Filled it with a little bit of new oil, the filter, before I screwed it up on there. Everything's buttoned up and sealed. I'm gonna let the jack down. We're gonna go to refilling the oil. Then we'll go inside and reset that maintenance required light. The last tool you're gonna need, a good funnel of any type. I just have this kind here because my downspout's hard to reach. Got a lid on it, keep the debris out of it. All right, so I got my funnel inserted. It's just a matter of filling it up. If you ever forget what kind of oil you need, just look on the cap. There you go. Now I'm using a synthetic blend. My mechanic at the Acura dealership told me not to go full synthetic on an older car. This is an 05 with 267,000 miles. Not to go full synthetic, but I could use the synthetic blend. All right, I'm gonna fire her up and see how she sounds. Sounding good. I'm always looking at the camera's over here. And for some reason I look at that red dot. I'm gonna give it a beautiful, fresh, golden nectar. That'll get me another 5,000 miles, which will take forever because I don't drive it very much anymore. I'm in the OBS, you know. All right, it's time to take these gloves off. I think I'm done. Clean up my mess and figure out how the hell to reset that maintenance light. It's so far in between, I don't. I just want to tidy things up a little bit, wipe the dust off the engine, make it look pretty as it can. For one that's as old as this, with this many miles, this one looks great. Look at that. Speaking of looking great, about my dirt track racing t-shirt. Y'all didn't know Papa G used to race? Oh yeah. That'd be a good time to show a little clip right here. Alright, now we're inside my Acura. All the lights go on, and what you're going to see is the maintenance required light. Once I crank the car, it's going to stay on. I'm going to show you how to reset that. I'm pressing the two buttons. Crunk the engine. Holding them, and the light goes off. Now I release the buttons, and there you have it. Come on, let's go. Hey, there's Zeus. Come on, let's go.